A tire blowout while driving can be unsettling, but knowing what to do is crucial. First, keep a firm grip on the steering wheel. Don't slam on the brakes, this can worsen the situation. Next, slowly reduce your speed, maintaining direction. Then signal and move carefully to a safe area. Once stopped, check the damage from a distance and seek assistance. By staying calm and following these steps, you can handle a blowout safely and efficiently.